Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, I am Abu Sufyan. Today we are going to see one of the important topic in mathematics. It's very basic and easy topics. That is nothing but set and its application and its type. See, what is set? Set and its type. See, definition of sets. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. A set is a collection of well-defined objects and its objects are called elements. Objects are called elements. See, note the point, well-defined. What is well-defined object? Let us see. Well-defined, what is the difference between well-defined and not well-defined? Well-defined means set of days in a week. For example, set of days, how many days? 7 days in a week. That is well-defined object, exact. Not well-defined means 5 best player of the cricket team. Whoever. Okay, this is the definition of set. And see types of set. First one, empty sets or null set. Second one, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, equivalent set, equal set. Another one is equivalent set, subset, universal set, proper subset, superset, proper superset, and last one is power set. Let's see the definition of all. See, what is empty set or null set? Both are called same. A set which is having no elements. A set which is having no element on that is called empty set or always null set. That is the empty set symbol, capital E. It is set bracket, or otherwise this one. Okay, another one is singleton set. A singleton set is nothing but a set is a singleton set when it is have single element. For example, a set S which is having single element, for example 3. See, number of set is 1. A set S is having single element, that is called singleton set. Third one is a finite set. A set which is having counting number of element, that is called finite set. For example, set A is a finite set. 1, 2, 3, these are the elements of set A. 4, etc. up to 25. That is called finite set. Next one is the infinite set. Infinite set which is opposite of finite. For example, a set which is having uncounting number. Note the point, uncountable number. For example, set B is a infinite set which is having uncountable number 1, 2, 3 up to etc. is goes upon. There is no countable, that is called infinite set. That is the difference between finite and infinite. Next one is the equal set. A set A and B are equal when it is same number and same number of element. For example, set A element H E A R T and set B is a E A R T H. That is the element of B and these are the element of A. Note the point, in this set both set are equal element and number of elements also equal to each other. Another one is the equivalent set. For example, two sets are equal, set M and set N. Two sets are same number but element are different. For example, set M is having 5 element, 1 2 3 4 5, and set N is different element 6 7 8 9 10. Let us see, number of M set is 5, number of N set is 5 always, but the element of both is different. That is the difference between equal set and equivalent set. Another one is a subset. See what is subset. For example, two set L and set O. Set L is having 1 2 3 up to 8 element. Set O is having just 2 element, 5 and 6. See, set O is a subset of set L. That is the element. Symbol of subset is O. O is a subset of L. Note the point, every set is a subset of itself. What? Note. Every set is a subset of itself. For example, L is a set and L is a subset of L. L is a subset of L. Okay, clearly. Next one is a universal set. Notation of universal set is capital U. A set is a universal set when all the other set are subset of U. For example, U is a subset which is having element A, B, C, D, E up to F. Then set A element A, B and C. Set B, D and E, and set C is only one element, singlet on set F. See, these three sets, set A, set B, set C, three set are subset of set U. Then only U is a called universal set, capital U. Then only U is called universal set. Clearly. See, proper subset. What is proper subset? Two set A and set B. Definition of proper subset is one element in B not contained in A. For example, A, B, C, D and set B element are B, C, D. One element are B not contained in A. See, set B element are equal or set A, or otherwise element B set B element are less number of element in set A. That is called proper subset. The element is A contain B. It is the next one is a superset, a set A and a set B. What is superset? If every element in B is also in A, every element, for example 1 2 3 4, these are the element of set B, and set A is a 1 2 3 4 superset, every element in B in also in A, 5 6 7. It is not equal, but set B's element are also having in set A, that is called superset. Element of superset, symbol of superset is next one is a proper superset. It is small difference of superset. We see superset and proper set. Superset is a one element, sorry, all element are B in having A, but opposite in that. For example, proper superset, if A set is a having 1 2 3 4 element, and set B is having 1 2 3 4 5 up to 8 element, that is called proper superset. Both sets are not equal. Symbol of proper superset. But not A equal B. Understood? Next, last one is power set. Take the example of set S. Set S element A, B, C, D. That is set S. These are the element of set S. All the subset of S is a power set. For example, set M is a only B. Set N is a C. Whatever we take the subset of S, that is always are called power set. Okay, these are the important and most useful of the set topic. Hope you are enjoy. Thank you.